What's up, brothers and sisters, and those confused on which toilet they want to use? So, the project is now underway. On the last one, I got the engine back to its original colour. Now, this one is going to be how to get the side panels back to an original colour. Although, to be honest, although I've already done one, or should I say, one I prepared earlier, I'm not that sure that I should really have bothered. But I've started now, so we're going to have to go on. Right then, first off, we're going to need nuclear strength stripper with dimethyl benzene chlorinated bisanonate. That's the stuff they took out of the nanny state countries stripper because they were scared somebody might burn themselves. But anyway, we're not worried about that, so we are going to start the fun. Ooh! That's if I don't kick the camera stand over. So I'll just compose myself again. Now you see, that's what happens when you wear flip-flops and socks. So let's start with this superb graphics kit, which needs to be removed. So basically, you just have to press the pause button and come back when you're finished. Ta-da! Now shit gets real. I can't wait for all the screaming comments. Well, actually, there would be screaming comments if Susan wasn't blocking my channel, but Susan is blocking my channel. The only way around that is for you lot to like, subscribe, and send the video to someone else. Leave a comment. That's the only way we're going to beat the algorithm. So, this one, if we had loads of viewers, we'd get them all out the woodwork going, oh, you've killed those plastics, oh! I don't care, because I'm a bit of a clever bastard sometimes, and this ain't my first rodeo. Not with a stripper anyway. We've had plenty of action with strippers. Indeed, indeed, indeed. So get it on. Splash it on. Make sure you're wearing the safety gear. Like I said, I got socks on with my flip-flops. Safety gear is on. As soon as it gets going, get your scraper in there and start getting it off. There it is, tons and tons of it. There's fucking bloody filler and everything in here. This is a soft plastic scraper. It's actually for window tinting, but I can't see me ever doing any of that professionally again. Certainly not in this country. Not for money anyway. Because they work here for a bag of bloody Pringles. I don't. Right. So obviously this is actually 30-year-old plastic, so I don't want to be too cruel to it. He says, going for second helpings. Oops, there's half a ton went on there. Second helpings. Please, sir, yeah, more. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. We might even hit that again. There, look, just get that black a bit more abuse. Plenty to go around, people. Plenty to go around. Right, this should be original paint or some sort of aerosol paint. So, keep it agitated like sea bass with fucking laser beams attached to their heads. There we go. And there's body filler all over this. So, are you squeamish hiding behind the sofa while I do this? Are you, really? Or are you tapping away on the keyboard saying I'm a cowboy, don't know what I'm doing? Notice I am getting this goo all over my bare hands. And down there in the holes, it's worked lovely. There it goes. So when you think you've actually tortured the plastic enough, I think we're pretty much there for this session. Let's give that a quick rip off there, you little beauty. Come off, come off, come off, come off. Right, if you think you've been naughty enough, time to neutralise it. Now, I don't actually have a hose pipe set up here, so I'm just going to do it by hand for now. It does want a good rinse. Obviously, the pressure washer is the way to go. But like I said, we don't have one set up here at the moment. And make sure you get all of it off, including anything that might have bled through to the back. Right, looking for some stinging. Oh, I forgot, I've got some on here as well. Oh, wrong side. That's my soft rubber juju, that was. There we go, get off. There it is, there it is, there it is. It certainly saves a lot of faffing around with sanding paper later on. Right, that'll do. Wash that off as well. I don't know what that emerald green colour is. Oh, peppermint green. I don't know what that's supposed to tell me. But basically, as you can see, we just keep repeating that until the shit's off. Later then.